guys, welcome back to the channel. Guess where we're at? Santa Ana River Lakes. Check it out. Got my poles down there. Santa Ana River Lakes, guys. Doing some trout fishing. Gonna be doing it for a while today. I had a bite on. Fortunately, I missed it. I don't know how that happened. Spit it out. But it's all good. I know I could get them back, so I'm gonna get back out there. I got it on garlic, dipped in Papa John's garlic sauce. So let's see what happens. Tune you guys in as soon as I get that first bite. Santa Ana River Lakes. Look at that puppy. Look at all those birds right there. Over there, waiting to see that fish. All right, guys. As soon as the bite kicks in, tune you guys in again. All right, guys. You don't want to reel it in, bud?
No.
No, you sure? Want to catch it with the net? All right, guys. First one on. Oh, he's a good one. Feels like a good one. Oh, yeah. Look at that one. Got him, bud? There he is. This is a good one. Look at that one. Woohoo!
Touch it. That's a trout, right?
Yep.
That's a big one.
Hey, he's a good size. Look at that.
Oh, it's slimy.
Go ahead, bud. You got it?
It's cold and slimy.
There it is, guys.
Dang.
First one on. Look at that. That's a nice one. All right, guys. We caught one. Me and this little guy right here, Jake. This is we're here at Santa Ana River. We got his pole right there, my pole right here. I got another pole right there, and then we got Nancy's pole, and then we have Jake's other pole right here, right there. All right, guys, we're still waiting on the bite. We were using garlic on that one with that Papa John's garlic dip. Jake is using worms. His other ones, he's using mealworms. And Nancy's using rainbow power bait with the garlic dip. So, all right, guys, as soon as we get another bite, we'll tune you guys in and we'll go from there. Yeah, I got Jake driving the pontoon boat.
Alright guys, right here in this clip, like I said, we had my nephew Jake driving the pontoon. We were going to go get a spot right here to go do some more trout fishing, and he wanted to get on a boat and check out those pontoon boats, which was very cool. Alright guys, I thought that was cool and it was fun out there, and we really appreciate the fam inviting us. So, hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video, and let's get to it.
You killed my brother, and I'm not going to eat my brother.
What's up? Get it, babe, right here. You're gonna touch your
That way.
sweater. Oh, okay, go ahead.
The life jacket. Stroking me.
Whoa, you okay? What happened? Is that the new one, Oblongata? Ooh, yeah.
Finally, the wind stopped so I could get a good cast.
I know, the wind finally stopped, babe.
It did, huh?
Yeah.
That's what probably made it stop. Now I'm just going to wait for a fish to eat food, basically.
Good, bud.
Water feels nice.
Does, huh?
Yeah. Like edible. Oh, shit. I'm going to roll this back up and marinate it with mustard.
Mustard.
Hey, you might catch it that mustard. Hey, didn't the catfish like that?
Yeah. You redid your whole pole, Eileen? Pretty good.
Mustard and mayonnaise or just mustard? One. We don't have the peanut butter. Or at least I think we don't have the peanut butter. Do we have the peanut butter?
No.
Mayo. Mayonnaise. Whatever you want to call it.
That one time Nathan dare you to eat the mayonnaise?
Oh, yeah. I remember. By the way, if you don't know, I absolutely despise mayonnaise.
You don't like it, bud?
No, I don't like mayonnaise.
I don't like it at first.
Nathan dare us all.
That fish fell in the water over there.
He grabbed his pole out or a fish?
Did he grab it with his hand or did he use the rod? Because it's illegal, I'm going to snitch on them. Okay, now I'm going to throw it out there. For
You
real.
ready? Oh.
My bad.
You okay?
Got mustard on your line.
You're okay, bud. Go ahead, bud. You go first.
No, you.
I'll wait for you. Go ahead.
Go this way. Yeah.
Be careful with the sun. Yeah. Woo.
Where's my cowbell? Imagine I get a straightaway catch.
You'll get one. Did you put the fish guts on it?
Yeah, and I'm marinated in mayonnaise.
Yeah. The catfish love that.
So I have an opportunity to catch a catfish basket.
Yep.
Or neither.
You'll catch a cat with that. Look at that.
I want to do something with my hand.
There she goes. Go ahead, love. Good cast, love. Okay, you're on camera.
Oh, shoot. No, no, my hand was in crying. Hi.
We're at the, I'm gonna call it the pipe spot because the pipes are shooting water out. We're here, Santa Ana still. What was the name of your fish? Flipper? Flopper was the only fish we got. It's right there in that blue ice chest.
Filleted now.
Jake filleted him. Yep. You want me to show him, bud? Check out that right there. Yep. Dang, he filleted that real good. And I just want to say, if you guys want to subscribe to his channel, it's JJ Cash. So if you guys can help him out, subscribe, give him some subscribers, I'd really appreciate it. Alright guys, Santa Ana River Lakes. Oh, and his channel is a gaming channel. He shows you about Fortnite and what other games, bud?
It's mainly about Fortnite, but I might do Call of Duty or Minecraft
Well,
in the future.
there you guys go. So please subscribe and we'll see you guys on the next one.